Hey fart faces, it's me, Bev. Today we're going to be unbagging this very special diamond painting from Heartful Diamond Paintings. It's very special to me because it is my first order I've ever placed with them, ever in my whole entire life. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I upload new videos every day except Sundays and Wednesdays most of the time. So if you like diamond painting and you like watching diamond painting videos, I'm your gal. So let's get started. Okay. I'm going to open this up without showing you my address, hopefully successfully. Just cut this open. It comes in a poly bag, and then it is also wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's move this camera up a little bit. Okay. So it's taped in bubble wrap. You guys can watch me struggle. Oh, come on. I'm really excited for this. Really super excited. Not excited to open it with all this tape and all this bubble wrap, but we will get into it. Alright, so again, it's taped. Ugh! Why do they do this to me? Why? That's what I want to know. Okay. Oh, I cut it a little bit. Oops. So before I show you the canvas, I'm going to pull out whatever's in here. We have more stuff. Anything else? Nope. So here is our basic toolkit. You get 2 pens, a tray, some baggies, ooh, blue wax in the shape of a heart, and a squishy. Cool. I'm so excited. I really like blue wax. And then here we have our drills. We'll look at these afterwards. And now let me just roll the canvas backwards behind the scenes here, so no peeking, as Christopher Koala would say, no peeking. Okay, I'm excited. It kind of looks like a gong show, but I promise it's gonna be cute. So here we have our canvas. At the top of the canvas we have Heartful Diamonds. On the right hand side we have the schematic, and here is a thumbnail. It's kind of hard to see, but I will put up the actual picture from their website here. Let's take a look at the schematic. Looks like the symbols will be pretty clear from looking at the schematic. Here's where I cut it by accident. Oops. I don't know how many colors that is. I saw an inventory sheet, so we'll look at that. So we'll take a look at the drill field. It is a square diamond painting, so that is why you're seeing a gridded background. The drill field looks good. Again, we won't really know how this diamond painting turns out until we actually start drilling on it, or laying down drills, whatever you want to call it. At the bottom of the canvas, we have the measurements. So it measures 80 by 40 centimeters, and there's the URL for Heartful Diamonds. So I'll put that in the description below. So what it is it's kind of like, here is a clock tower. There's a clock, you can kind of see it. This is just like a gear or something. And then there's a bunch of clouds all along here with pillars. So from far away, it kind of looks, I can't fit it all in the video, but from far away, it kind of looks like a gong show. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie. It is poured glue. Is it sticky? Yes, it is very sticky. It got a little banged up during shipping, like you can see the creases, and they're not creases so much in the glue or anything like that. It's mostly creases in the actual cover. Yeah, it's just creases within the cover. I don't know. I feel like this might turn out really nicely. It looks really pretty. Here's another pillar. Another pillar. I'm hoping that it's big enough because it's 80 by 40 so that we can actually get all the detail we want in. And it's actually a licensed image. It doesn't say who it's by, but I will put that in the description below as well. So it is a licensed image by an artist. they have that same artist has a bunch of different diamond paintings available on the Heartful Diamonds website, so that's kind of cool. But this one really spoke to me. This one really stuck out to me. And let's take a look at the drills though. So here are the drills. Oh, there's actually a bigger thumbnail in here too, so we can take a look at that. So I can figure out how to open the drills. Come on! Okay, so let's take out this inventory sheet. Oh, whoa, this bag is big. Okay, so here is a bigger thumbnail. And then it looks like there are 44 colors, and it also looks like someone went ahead and checked off to make sure that all of the diamonds were packed correctly. So this is the number of colors, the symbol, the ID I believe is the DMC code, yeah, the DMC code, and then how many bags, and then the total quantity within those bags. Nice little inventory sheet. If you need diamond painting instructions, here they are. For 4 or 5 stars customer support, contact us. So if you do need help, there's their contact information. Okay, so let's take a look at the diamonds. It doesn't look, or the drills, it doesn't look like there's any special drills or anything like that. Again, these are square, and I'm very nervous because whenever I order squares from a new company, I'm like, they better not pop. I'm gonna murder someone if they pop. We'll take a look at the quality. They look to me like they're even. Not seeing a lot of trash. Take a look at another color. I really like how these drills are connected, because sometimes you'll get orders in baggies that are similar to this, but they're not connected, and then you have to go through and make piles of the same color, etc. So I do like how they're connected, and the DMC codes are in fact on the bags themselves. Okay. I'm not worried, like from looking at the drills through the packaging, I'm not worried about the quality of them, but we will not know until we put drills down, like I said. Is there a darker color? What is this? Usually with darker colors, here we'll look at these 939s. With darker colors, that's where you'll find more trash, but it doesn't look like there's a lot. Like, these look very uniform. Yeah, I'm not too worried about it. I do want to look at the canvas again though, so let's put this stuff back in here. I don't know. Okay, that. Okay. What is going on? So the end of the bag is really long, I guess. So the end of the bag is kind of crunched up. I'll just do this. How about that? Kind of looks okay like that. Again, I'm kind of scared from the looks of it. I'm not used, like I've never done a canvas from them before. It is a thinner canvas. It's not soft or anything special, but it is a very thin canvas. It feels rough. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. Again, we won't know until I put drills down. I don't know how many times I said that in this video. I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully this is big enough to show the detail that's required to produce the image. This is the image again. So it's very cute. It's pastel-y. I really like it, and I'm hoping that this will turn out. What are your guys' thoughts on this canvas and this diamond painting kit? Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever ordered from Heartful Diamonds? What has been your experience? If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!